Welcome everyone and thank you so much for joining in. So as you can see, Bitcoin just made the highest weekly close of 2022. So what does this mean? Are we going to see this actual trend reversal, because the price of Bitcoin since November 2021 was showing this weakness where we were clearly heading here to the downside, and now is this a sign that we could be finally seeing this bullish reversal for Bitcoin? Because we were aware, if you monitor the price movement using this falling trend line, this falling trend line was an important line of resistance. It also acted as a support, but when the price of Bitcoin managed to break out of this falling trend line, this weekly candle was a very bullish weekly candle, because beside this falling trend line, also we knew that the price of Bitcoin around this area was forming this so-called double bottom formation. The neckline, as you can see, also got broken, and as soon as we broke out of this neckline, the price is also showing this new impulsive movement. So if this double bottom scenario is also going to play out and price of Bitcoin going to see this continuation here to the upside, then this 51,000 is where we could be heading here in the upcoming days for Bitcoin, because we know in most of the cases before the price of Bitcoin has chosen an actual trend direction, what has it done? It has always showed a movement towards this 0.5 to 0.618 Fibonacci line, and only after that it has showed us an actual trend duration. And also now if we focus around this 0.5 to 0.618 Fibonacci line, you can see between this 51,000 to 55,000 is where I personally think the price of Bitcoin might be getting gravitated here in the upcoming days. So now from this double bottom and also to this Fibonacci line, the 0.5 0.618 is where we could be potentially getting gravitated, because we know in most of the cases, if you go back here and look at the price action of Bitcoin from 2013 2014, this scenario has unfolded again and again, and I've already talked plenty of time in my video. Because if you look at this movement, when the price of Bitcoin showed this actual downtrend, we always had this relief rally where the price got approached towards the 0.5 and 0.618 Fibonacci line, failed to find proper support, and after that bigger price retracement. If you look at this one here, for example, from 2017 2018, from this swing high till the swing low, a relief rally came across this 0.5 to 0.618, failed to find proper support. After that, bigger price retracement. Even here in 2019, from this swing high till this swing low, you can see the price saw this relief rally. We got approached towards this 0.5 and 0.618, failed to find support. After that, a bigger price retracement. So that's why if this is going to be an actual trend reversal, doesn't matter if it's going to be an impulsive trend reversal like this or even a fake out right here in this manner, we are expecting the price of Bitcoin also to see this movement first, at least towards this 0.5 Fibonacci line to 0.618, because between this line of 51,000 to 55,000 is where we think the price of Bitcoin might be getting gravitated in the upcoming days. And beside this example, if you also look at the price action in a daily time frame. So now before I switch into other chart, beside this Crypto Anup English channel, we also have Crypto Anup German channel. So if you want to follow me there, the link is provided in the description down below. And beside this, guys, to all the traders watching this video right now, we have up to $8,200 crypto exchange bonus. So if you are an experienced trader, if you want to take advantage of this market volatility, then the link to exchanges are provided in the description down below, and you will get your bonus after your initial deposit. So if you want to take advantage, the time is right now. You can see the price here in a daily time frame is also looking very good, because we are clearly seeing this bullish crossover where the 20 exponential moving average, the green line, is crossing above this 50 exponential moving average. And also congratulations to everyone who is following this channel, because we were very clear whenever we have seen this bullish crossover happening where the 20 exponential moving average crossing above this 50 exponential moving average, and to get a confirmation whether this is a fake out or an actual trend reversal, what I also did was I added MACD, RSI and T3 CCI indicator. So for an actual confirmation, we also need a confirmation from these indicators here to the downside. So that's why I said you, since this bullish crossover, the MACD crossover has already happened, and at the same time you can see when we had this bullish crossover, also the RSI line started jumping above 50 level, and at the same time, guys, also the T3 CCI indicator started appearing in a positive territory, which was confirming or supporting this price movement. And as soon as we had this bullish crossover, after that the price of Bitcoin is showing this bullish price movement. But one thing what I still believe is that this trend might not see a continuation here in this manner, guys. What I personally believe is a movement here in this manner, a shakeout, right? Price retesting around this moving averages one more time. Only after that, continue this rally, and maybe we could be coming back to retest this 45,000 resistance line as well, because we know this line has always acted as a strong line of resistance. And now since we are above it, even if we are going to see a retracement, this could be a retest of this previous temporary resistance line before price starts moving again here to the upper direction. And beside these moving averages, MACD, RSI, T360 indicator, if you look at the price movement around this area using this Bollinger Band, you can see even this Bollinger Band here is clearly indicating the price now could be showing this trend reversal, because yesterday I showed you whenever we manage to cross above this basis line and also approach towards the top of this Bollinger Band, we continued the rally as long as the price remained above this orange line, which was the basis line. Failed to find support, started this downward rally. In our case, you can see the price of Bitcoin has already broken out of this basis line and also is around top of this Bollinger Band, which is actually a very good sign, because as long as we are going to remain above this upper line area from this Bollinger Band and also above this basis line, the orange line, we are absolutely fine, guys, even if we are going to see any sort of a fake out or shake out on our way. So that's why now things are turning slowly in favor of bulls. And beside this example, what I also want to add is this descending broadening wedge, because we knew the price had to break this resistance around 45,000 if this is going to be an actual reversal from here on. And since it did right now, even if we are going to see any sort of a retracement, as I just showed you, right, this could be a temporary pullback towards this previous resistance line, right, and then start this new impulsive movement from here on. Because according to this descending broadening wedge, our price target is top of this descending broadening wedge around 51 to 52,000 price range. And we know, I showed you with this Fibonacci line, this 51 to 55,000 is where we could be getting gravitated in the upcoming days for Bitcoin. And now also through this descending broadening wedge, you can see this upper line, which is also lying around this 51 52,000 is our potential upward price target. So that's why this double bottom price target, right, the price target from this Fibonacci line and now also the price target from the descending broadening wedge is lining up very parallelly. So that's why I believe that in the upcoming days we could be getting gravitated towards this 50,000 area before price chooses an actual trend direction. And now let me show you this price action of Bitcoin using this leading indicator, which is CPR. So guys, now if you look at this price action of Bitcoin using this central pivot range indicator, this indicator is a leading indicator. So that's why as soon as the price of Bitcoin managed to find a proper support above this 42,000 range, if you have watched my video, you knew that, guys, I was saying you the price of Bitcoin could be getting gravitated towards this monthly R1 line for the March month, right, before choosing a trend duration. And as you can see, the price has not reached the monthly R1 line. It was almost there, guys, almost there, because this monthly R1 line is lying around 47,899, or let's say 47,900 area. Price came around this 47,600, 47,700, but has still not touched the monthly R1 line. But this monthly R1 line must be reached, because we have seen, if you go back here from 2021 April month, the price almost came at the monthly R1 line, right? Once it failed, it showed this bigger price retracement, because we know in an uptrend, more than 95% the price always tests the monthly R1 line, this green line, right? Beside the September month, all monthly R1 target was reached. And here from 2021, the April month, we failed to reach the monthly R1 line, right? And after that, we saw this trend reversal. So now we also want the price of Bitcoin to test this monthly R1 line before showing any sort of a trend duration. Because if we reach this monthly R1 line, right, and after that and retracement, then that should not be bothering us, because this monthly R1 line gets reached only when the trend is preparing itself for new impulsive movement. So that's why if this monthly R1 line is going to be reached, right, and price after that is going to see some sort of a retracement, I would not worry that much, because this only happens when the trend is going to be showing new impulsive movement. So guys, these are some of the interesting scenario that I wanted to share with you in today's video. If you enjoyed my work, then please hit the like button, and also for those individuals watching for the first time, hit that subscribe button and the bell. So by saying this, I'm signing out. My name is Anup. Bye bye.